When you give a kid a tool that listens, they don't ask for permission to create. They draw. They type. They test. They build the thing they've been carrying in their head. And now it moves. With instant feedback, learning stops feeling like waiting. When the screen gives something back, it's not just tech. It's a conversation. And when they see it work, they start to believe they can too. It's not magic. It's not school. It's just what happens when you mix imagination, access, and a weekend in Silicon Valley.